powerful name in local news. Fox 5 News at 10.
So far, more than a dozen banks in Georgia have closed this year.
I would say they were ground zero for community bank closings nationwide.
So what's making our state's banks more vulnerable than the rest of the country? A closer look straight ahead.
Fox 5 Money Watch.
Georgia now leads the nation when it comes to failed banks.
And tonight, Fox 5's Caitlin Pratt set out to find out why.
More banks go bust in Georgia. Federal regulators closing 6 banks Friday. Monday morning, they'll reopen with different names. It will be business as usual for some.
Depositors need not do a thing.
But not necessarily for others. If you're borrowing money from a defunct bank, experts say try to negotiate your loan and find a replacement lender.
Small business got a lot of credit, 3 years ago. Now the credit crisis has hit, and now their loan is up for renewal. Their loan's matured. They're having a very difficult time renewing their note.
Friday's closings boosted the number of federally insured banks to fail this year to 64. Georgia leads the nation in failures with 16.
I think we're really ground zero for community bank closings.
But what is it about Georgia that keeps causing banks here to fail? When the state's banks first started going belly up, Fox 5 spoke with Georgia's Bankers Association. They're blaming high construction and development loans.
Those banks have just had trouble in dealing with exposure to commercial real estate, residential real estate, basically loans they made to businesses that relied heavily on the housing market.
And since the housing market hasn't bounced back yet, experts say we haven't seen the end of these collapses. They're warning small businesses, be prepared.
I think we are really just seeing the tip of the iceberg. I would expect 18, 24, maybe 36 more months of bank failures going on, and during that time it's going to be hard to find the credit that small businesses need to survive.
Caitlin Pratt, Fox 5 News.
Now, as Caitlin said, there were 64 bank failures nationwide this year. Last year, there were just 25. 2007, just 3.